Here's a tip for those of you that have a push mower, and when you pull the handle, if it doesn't pull the brake and the kill switch very far, and you're probably thinking, oh, the cable's all stretched out, I'm gonna have to buy a new cable and everything. Well, before you buy a new cable, try this. Here's one of the ends that attaches. Here's the cable. It attaches to the handle. It just pries off with a screwdriver. And these ends are just threaded onto here. So just unthread this. Give it a few turns. You can see right there's where it used to be. I've threaded it out. Oh, maybe we'll go about 1/4 of an inch. Then snap it back in, and then give that a try and see if that does any good. If not, if it's still not enough, you can do the same thing down there on the engine. And down here on the engine, got these 2 little tabs on each side here. Just squeeze them together and it'll pull out, usually with pliers. Just like that. You can unhook it. And then the same thing, screw this out away from the cable. As you can see where the mark is, it's going to focus. I screwed it out, oh, maybe about 1/4 of an inch. And hook it back on. And now when you squeeze the lever, it'll move far enough that it will now disengages the brake and it disengages the kill switch, and your motor will stay up and start running. If that don't work, then yeah, your cable is stretched too far and you'll need to get a new cable, but this here might be a fast, easy fix for you. It won't cost you nothing. And thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.